In this video, we are going to see how we can upload our audio file to Roblox account. So whether you are using the WAV format, MP3 or OGG, we are going to see what formats does it support and the complete procedure on how we can upload one. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, what we'll do is we will head over to the create on the top right hand corner once you log in into your profile. And once you click on that, you should be able to see the creations folder on the left hand side. We will click on that and we go to the development items right here. From here, we'll choose the audio, and as we can see, the formats that are supported are MP3, OGG, FLAC and WAV. But the maximum file available size is 20 MB. So let's upload the asset. Asset type is audio. You want to upload it. So for example, this is my audio. You can enter any description and then you can upload it from the upload button. Make sure it is under the file size limit, otherwise it won't allow you to upload the audio. And now you can see our audio is uploaded right here. And that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.